What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to put a text behind an object or a person. This goes a long way in Instagram and TikTok. You can see trending. So I'm going to show you, and we are going to be using Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. Let's dive right into it. First thing is to open your Adobe Premiere Pro, import your footage, and now I'm going to drag the footage into the timeline. I can change my sequence just to keep it the same. So this is the clip I have of this lady walking out. Okay, so there's a new updates on Adobe 2026. This is the update. So now you can do this tracking, this AI tracking, and it's very easy. You can mask your subject easily here. So I think it goes the same with 2025 and 2026. I don't know about 2024, but let me show you how to do this in 2026. Okay, so I'm gonna click here, make sure that this is selected. So I'm gonna select my clip. That is my clip selected, and I'm gonna wait a bit. It's just taking some time, but it's not gonna take more time. That's just depending on how fast your computer is. Okay, so that is it. I'm gonna click there, and I'm gonna wait for it to be selected. So this is it. It is selected. Once you see this red, it is selected. So what you have to do is to go to your effect control, make sure it's on, and what you're gonna do, since she is selected, you're gonna track her like so. You're gonna give it some time to do this. Our tracking is done. So as you can see, now everything is perfect where it is supposed to be. But if you see there's a little part that has not been selected, you can add it by clicking here on the plus and dragging just to add the little part. Sometimes it might happen because it is not perfect at times, but for now this is okay for me. Let me show you the next step. You come here just to make sure the background has been isolated. You come here, object mask, you drag, go down where it says opacity, and you drop it there. You see, it's going to be just what you have selected without the background. Okay, so how do we write now something on the background? Okay, this is what we are going to do. You come here, you hold Alt, you drag down just to duplicate this clip. Now we want the first clip to be the clip we have tracked, sorry. Then the bottom should be like our background. So click on the bottom one, you go to where it shows track. You have to delete this track so it can be, the background can show. That is it. So if I let me just make this so you can't see it. You see, it's gone. So this serves as the background. The second clip serves as the background. Then now we are going to put the text in between the background and the subject. So there's no space here, so I'm going to drag one clip up just to keep that space. Yes, and this is where we are going to put the text, so it can be on her, behind her. Okay, so now I'm going to write any text I like. Let me say I'm single. You're gonna love that. I know some of you will be saying, oh, I hope she's single. Okay, I can change this text. change it to something bold like so. Let's see this one. I'm single, or something like this. No, I don't like that one. I don't like that one. Oh, let me just click this one for the sake of this tutorial. So I can drag, so you can see what is happening. It's in front of her. It's not even there. It's just in front of her. That's because, let me show you why. Let me show you why. I want to show you the reason why. Okay, if I put this here, okay, let me just put it there. It's because this text is on top, it's at the top. That means it's covering everything they tracked and the background. Let me go down to the background. So it's supposed to be here, at the center, so it can be in between the background and the subject. Let's go down now, drag it here, and voila, that's it. See, I am single. Now she's in front of the text like so. Looks good, doesn't it? Look at. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna be doing amazing stuffs like this, teaching you guys how to do so many things on Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you. Like this video too and share it to your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.